Well, I'm just making up a bracket for the front of the e-bike, and that was me template that I just drew it out on a bit of paper, used where is it now? I just used my bevel and the little level, got the angle of the forks, just tidying that up now, cut the little welder to the little dab in, and then we're using these brackets off the forks. There they go, like that, off the forks. Get them on Temu or eBay, whichever. And I'll leave it on time lapse for now, and then come back to you when I'm finished. Catch us later.